Hello everyone, and welcome to another episode of Go Right Reviews. On today's episode, we are going to be covering the Dual Lavalier Microphone set done by Powerdewise. So, we are going to see what exactly this package comes with. There's quite a few interesting components that make this microphone a very nice modular microphone set. So we'll discuss the flexibility of this microphone, and secondly, we will also talk about how this microphone sounds when it's either connected to your smartphone device or to your DSLR camera. And lastly, I will give my personal recommendation as to whether or not I believe that this microphone set is worthy to be added to your recording gear. Stay tuned for that. Okay, so without wasting any more time, let's get straight into it. Right away, when you open up the package, you can see that the package comes with a nice carrying pouch. And on the carrying pouch, it's written, "Words can change life, record them perfectly." So this is a nice little touch by Powerdewise. Now, the reason why this comes with a carrying pouch is because there are quite a few components that come inside the package. So right away, we can see that there are two lavalier microphones. This is one of them right here, and I'm currently wearing one that is connected to my DSLR camera. Secondly, there are two extension wires for your microphones. So you have a 3.5 millimeter jack on one side, male, and then a female 3.5 millimeter jack on the other. Okay, so there are two extension wires. And it also comes with a splitter so that you can connect two microphones at the same time. So you have a 3.5 millimeter jack on one end and then a dual 3.5 millimeter female jack on the other end. Okay. Another thing that it comes with, I think everything inside this package comes in twos. There are two foam wind stoppers. So if you have this when you're outdoors, this is going to help to reduce a lot of that wind noise, okay? So there's two of them in total. So this is what comes inside the box. Another very important connector is the 4 to 3 pin connector, which I am currently using. So if you don't have this pin, which actually comes inside the box, if you don't have this pin, you will not be able to use it on your DSLR camera or on your PC. So it's very important to keep this wire safe. And if you do lose it, then you will have to order another one in order to use it with your DSLR camera or your PC. So that's just a little side note for that. Now, let's get into the audio quality. So this is what the microphone sounds like when it's connected to my DSLR camera. Okay, so you can hear it now. This is the edited sound. Now let's take a listen at the unedited sound, okay? Testing, 1, 2, 3. This is the unedited audio of the Dual Lavalier microphone set by Powerdewise. Does that sound good? That's the raw audio source of what this microphone sounds like when it's connected directly into your DSLR camera. Now, let's do this test on a smartphone. I have an iPhone 7 Plus, so let's get this all connected up and see what this sounds like on my iPhone 7 Plus. So right now we are connected to my iPhone 7 Plus and I am using the lavalier microphone, and this is what it sounds like without any editing, and this is what it sounds like with a little bit of editing. If you want to find out how I do edit my audio, I will leave a link to a video in the description. So after using this dual lavalier microphone set, there are two things that come to mind. The first thing has got to be value. At the time of this recording, I purchased this microphone set for $39 on Amazon. And for that $39, this package came with quite a few components, which brings me to my second point, which is flexibility. In terms of flexibility and usability, this microphone set certainly has it here. As you guys saw, there are splitters, there are two microphones in case you want to do interviews. If you want to use the microphone in a small setting or in a large setting, you can do that because there's different extensions and different wire lengths that you can play around with. In terms of the audio, you will definitely see an improvement if you're coming from using the internal microphone on your DSLR camera or on your smartphone. And if you want to take things to the next level, you can also edit your audio using software such as Audacity, which is free, or even Premiere Pro. If you guys want to find out a little bit more as to how you can edit your audio using this software, I will leave a link in the description below so that you can watch it there in more detail. Now, I hope that this video has helped you guys to make an informed purchase decision. And as per the usual, please like and subscribe if you enjoyed the content. And if you guys want to leave questions, comments down below, I would love to hear from you as well. Until the next video, take care, guys.